Mayor Mamdani getting ready to lead the city through the first major snowstorm of his new administration. Later this morning, we'll hear from the mayor about what the city is doing to prepare for all the snow, including school contingency plans. Lilley live at the city's emergency management headquarters in downtown Brooklyn. Glad to see you have the gloves, Noel.
Yes, I got my gloves. You know, I was going without the hat too, trying to be cute, like my mom would say. Don't worry about being cute this weekend, you guys. Just worry about being warm and being ready for this cold. The city of New York says they are ready as well to get you prepared and to keep you safe. So in this kind of weather, that's the most important thing. And the city of New York has said that they are bracing for, as you said, what could be the most snow we've seen since February 2021. Mayor Mamdani says tomorrow morning about 2,000 Department of Sanitation workers will start 12-hour-long shifts. They will hit the ground running, prepped with 700 million pounds of salt, and deploy 700 salt spreaders. Now, since the storm also brings that cold front, a code blue is also going into effect. The mayor says what that means is that outreach teams will connect with vulnerable New Yorkers to get them shelter and out of that dangerous cold. Of course, many parents and students will want to know what happens Monday morning for school. Sorry, kids, snow days are snow more. If need be, the city will pivot to remote learning and says families will be told with enough time to plan for the next day. You may remember the last time the school system went remote back in February 2024. There was a system-wide crash.
So we are working to do everything that we can to keep our schools open. And once we make a final decision as to what it will look like on Monday, we will communicate that clearly and directly to families and to students themselves.
We're expected to hear again from Mayor Zohran Mamdani today here at the Office of Emergency Management. He'll give an update as, again, we brace ourselves for this weekend. For now, I'll send things back to you in the studio. Noel, Lilley, CBS News, New York.